Hello friends, how are you? This is Devyani Singh. In this video, I present to you garden decoration idea. Garden wall decoration. In addition to colorful plants on your garden borders, you can fence the wall with them too. You can use lush green foliage and pretty blooms like bougainvillea and lavender, to name a few, to cover the walls and fence. A botanical backdrop against the garden tea table or sitting area. Garden ornaments. The list of creative garden decor ideas also include garden ornaments. Different ornaments can be included, such as garden gnomes, gazing other garden status and sculpture to add more life to garden. Wall planters. If you have a plant garden area, wall planter on the home wall are ideal small garden decoration idea. You can grow a variety of items in these planters, including herbs, flowers, and vegetables.